Hello everyone and welcome to day 15 of our funded series journey. Today we did not have any setup inside the London session because we did not get the sweep of the Asian session highs, and now currently we are inside the New York session and we have swept the highs of London as well as Asia. But the only point of interest was this FVG, and price has inverted, like you can see a candle close above this, but we still have this point of interest as well, but it is very low probability because the real point of interest was this order block, and it has also been violated, and now we have only this point of interest, and it is not that much good of a point of interest. But still, on the 1 minute time frame, price went inside this point of interest and we got this break of structure. After that, price closed below this low and we had this change of character. After that, I switched to the 5 minute time frame and I marked this inverted fair value gap on the 5 minute time frame right there. This is the inverted fair value gap and I have placed my limit sell on this, stops above this high, and our first target would be 5 hour, and then we can take this trade all the way down to these lows. Till these lows it will be 15.35 hour, another unrealistic trade, but still let's see. There are high chances that we might get stopped out because this is not a good point of interest, but still we will take the trade. We are not inside the trade right now as price did not tap inside the fair value gap till now, so we'll wait and I'll let you know. Okay, so we got the entry, and after that price moved to the downside and we had this break of structure. After that I moved my stops to break even and we got stopped at break even, and we lost around $7.5 due to commissions. Okay, so we did not have any other setup inside the New York session, and it has also closed and the price has shifted to bullish structure now. So that's it for today, and this is the end of our week 3. We have done around 15 days in total, and currently we are down around $180. So that's it for today, and I'll meet you guys in the next week.